Right, Wardy's Works again in another unboxing and quick review. We've got a DIY 150 watt bench grinder here. This is another thing from Toolstream, which is the Silverline stuff that they do. It's DIY series, 3-year guarantee. Fitted with 150mm coarse and fine grade wheels, large eye shields for operator protection, for light to medium duty grinding, all steel wheel guards, tool rests and rubber mounting feet, includes 2 adjustable tool eye shields and spark arresters and wheel guards. So 150 watt, you can see all the details there. Let's get it out and see what it's like. It's already giving me trouble. So right around, we've got our instruction book there. Another one with a UK plug on, thankfully. It's not one of them stupid European to UK that some of the stuff has been coming with. So I'll just pull it out of the box. So there it is out the box. You got a covered on-off switch. You've got 4 bolt holes to bolt it down to a workbench. You've got your grinding wheels there, coarse and fine. It does come with the eye shields, which will go on there and there. You do have to put them on yourself. Comes with nuts and bolts there to put on wherever you need to put on. So we'll put them on, plug it in, and come back and give it a go. So we've chucked it on the bench. Just put a couple of screws in it to hold it down, just quickly so I can show you. There it is on. It's nice and quiet, it doesn't vibrate a lot. It's not vibrating everything on the bench. Gets up to speed nice and quick. Oh, it's vibrating me cup. Throwing something out. It's not easily slowed down, so all in all, so far I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously I'm gonna have to use it and see what happens, see how well it does in the future, see if it burns out really quick. But for a cheap little bench grinder, I'm happy. So we'll review it in the future. If something goes wrong, I'll let you know. Okay, please like and subscribe for more tool reviews, car videos and bike stuff. Cheers.